it?
Are you talking to your bird? Hmm? Today, October 3rd. What's that bird saying to you? Are you mad at it? Hmm? What's it saying, Bubba? Here, turn it on. Ooh, talk back to you. Hi, baby. You done talking to the bird? Yes? What does that bird say to you, huh? It's not like he's following you. Is he staring at you? Hmm? Yeah? What? You looking at me? Hi, baby.
So you go around back?
Yeah. How are you? Where are we going? Costco. You want to eat samples at Costco? Hmm? So serious. Are you getting sleepy, baby? Oh, you sleepy boy. Yeah? You're gonna fall asleep while we're in Costco? Oh, really? Don't you want to eat samples there? Oh, okay. I'll get 2 samples. One for me and one for you. Hmm? What kind of samples do you want them to have? Are you really hungry? Yes? Okay. We'll make 2 trips then. We'll have Daddy get 2. One for him, one for you. And then Mommy get 2. One for me, one for you. Then you'll get 2 samples for yourself. Would you like that? Hmm? No, it's so bright in here. Is it too bright in here?
Maybe I just wait here.
Sure. Okay, I think I recorded a really long video. You're just so cute. Ooh, did you throw up a little? Sour. Okay, baby. Say goodbye.
Maybe just park down at the end.
Okay.
Yeah.
See you later.
Like if you're waiting for it. Hopefully they're parking.